Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Help Us Confirm Your Own Disk account issue on Instagram. Start by ensuring that your internet connection is stable. Switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi to see if that resolves the problem. Sometimes connection issues can cause Instagram to show this error. If your connection is fine, try logging out of Instagram on all devices. You can do this by going to your email, looking for any security alerts from Instagram, and using the option to log out of all sessions. Next, clear Instagram's cache or reinstall Instagram. For Android users, go to your phone settings, Apps, tap Apps again, find Instagram, Storage, and then select Clear Cache. For iPhone users, uninstall and reinstall the app from the App Store. This will help refresh the app without losing any data. Now open Instagram and attempt to log in with your username and password. If the app asks you for a verification code, check your email or phone for it and enter the code to confirm your identity. After successfully logging in, go to your profile, settings, and enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account and helps avoid future login issues. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to Help Us Confirm Your Own Disk account issue. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.